I'm a member of Cricket Association of Bengal from 1987, but I've been watching Test matches, one-day internationals since the days of Bill Lawry's Australian team had come to India in 1969. I can assure Mr. Khan that the Cricket Association of Bengal will give more than 100% support and cooperation to organize the matches peacefully and to belie your doubts.
No. Actually, so far already CAB has been very forthcoming and nice. It's nothing like I said in that interview also. It's not for an association or an organization. The idea is I'm just very worried. Like if people come there, I hope everything is all right. And inshallah by अगर मेरी उम्मीद यही है और आप लोग भी ऐसे ही सोचें अगर ये अच्छा जाएगा तो फिर इसको हम इम्प्रूव करते रहेंगे. सो द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वॉचिंग जैसे हम सिंगल स्क्रीन से जो मल्टीप्लेक्स का एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, सो द एक्सपीरियंस कैन गेट बेटर फॉर द एवरीवन. यू नो, I even wanted to actually start asking for special train timings to take everyone back post the match, but it's a big thing. So next year, inshallah, we'll have 6 months and we'll do all that. So everybody's happy to
they'll be having
see.
special buses after 11 o'clock. Yeah.
They've already the Kolkata organizations have agreed to have special buses at 11 p.m.
Yeah.
So which is really sweet. So
When the underground railway
will be open for the matches and all. So, and thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
एक मिनट यार.
Yes, go ahead.
This is what a ticket jacket looks like here. Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Take a photo.
We'll go there. Thank you very much everyone. Thanks a lot.